dapat itong mahinto. Hinihiling ko sa Kongreso na magpasa ng Consumer Bill of Rights laban sa price gouging, false advertising at iba pang gawain kontra sa mamimili. I call on all our government workers at the national and local levels to be more responsive and accountable to the people. Panahon ito ng pagsubok kung saan kayang tumulong at dapat tumulong ang pamahalaan. We must be there with a helping hand. Where government can contribute nothing useful, stay away. Let's be more helpful, more courteous, more quick. Kaakibat ng ating mga adhikain, ang tuloy na pagkalinga sa kapakanan ng bawat Pilipino. Iisa ang ating pangarap, maunlad at mapayapang lipunan kung saan ang magandang kinabukasan ay hindi pangarap lamang bagkus natutupad. Sama-sama tayo sa tungkuling ito. May papel na gagampanan ng bawat mamamayan, negosyante, pinunong bayan at simbahan, 10 na mga nasa lalawigan. We are 3 branches, but one government. We have our disagreements. We each have hopes and ambitions that drive and divide us, be they personal, ethnic, religious, and cultural. But we are one nation with one faith. As your president, I care too much about this nation to let anyone stand in the way of our people's well-being. Hindi ko papayagang humadlang ang sinuman sa pag-unlad at pagsagana ng taong bayan. And I will let no one and no one's political plans threaten our nation's survival. Our country and our people have never failed to be there for us. We must be there for them now. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.